Budget phones are getting wild these days. And this one? It's straight out of a gamer's dream. Meet the Nubia Neo 3GT, a flashy mecha-style phone with RGB lighting on the back that screams gamer. First off, it feels solid in the hand. Plastic? Sure, but it doesn't feel cheap. The 6.8-inch AMOLED display is buttery smooth at 120 Hz, and the 1200 Hz touch sampling rate, ridiculously fast. Add in those capacitive gaming triggers up top, and yeah, it's built to frag. And get this, it's only $11.99 in Malaysia. That's like flagship vibes on a mid-range budget. But with a price this low, there's gotta be some compromises, right? No IP rating, sadly, so don't spill your energy drink on it. And no headphone jack. But the stereo speakers, loud and punchy. Plus, it's got a strong Z-axis vibration motor for added immersion. Inside, it rocks a Unisoc T9100 chip, 12 GB RAM, 256 GB storage, non-expandable THO. It's built on an older 6nm process, but it's snappy for everyday use and light gaming. Just don't expect ultra settings in Genshin Impact. Those triggers, they work great. Loads of gaming features built in. And there's even a waifu assistant named Dammy you can interact with. No ads, no junkware, just pure fun. Now, the camera? It's there. The 50mm main shooter is just okay. No ultra-wide, and the selfies are kinda meh. If you care about photography, look elsewhere. Massive 6,000 mAh battery, and it supports 80W fast charging. That's 0 to hero in around 30 minutes. Just don't leave the LED lights on all day if you want it to last 2 days. Drop your thoughts in the comments and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss what's coming next.